There's maybe a handful of people who can do diamond turning to the level we do. My name is Bart van Veenrooij. I'm a diamond turning specialist at the Center of Optics Manufacturing at TNO. The principle is just like a lathe, only it's like 10,000 times more accurate than a standard machine. That mirror is part of an optical system, like for example an Earth observation instrument. It's got a telescope system which looks at the Earth, and these are all made on these machines. If you have a very rough surface, the light will scatter in all different type of directions. So the smoother the surface is, the more reflection you get of a surface. For the optical engineers, that's quite an important feature, because a system is not one mirror, you got like maybe 10 mirrors, and if you lose 20% on each mirror at the end, you have nothing left. It's very challenging technology which is still developing from a technology point of view. So every time you can put the bar a bit higher. We get drawings in, and every time the specifications are more tight. And we try to keep up with these specifications. And that's basically the biggest challenge we have. You learn every day something new, still, even after more than 20 years. And that's because that technology is so cutting edge that there's always something new to discover. Plus, we get requests from the people from inside TNO, can you make this? We start to think about new processes or way to improve the surface shape or to improve the roughness. So every time we have to keep up with the requirements of our customers, and that makes it really challenging. Obviously within TNO we have optical specialists, we have optomechanical specialists, we have manufacturing specialists, we have metrology specialists. So it's a whole team of expertises which you need to make these components, and that makes it interesting. It's a real team effort. It's a Formula 1 car. You got one driver, but you got a whole team around it.